Right now, without doing anything else, your body is running a cooling system more advanced than any machine humans have ever built. You call it sweating. You've probably spent your whole life treating it like an embarrassing malfunction. Here's what nobody told you. That malfunction is the reason your brain is the size it is right now. And the skin you've been scrubbing, moisturizing, and fighting with your entire life isn't broken. It's running a 3 million-year-old survival system, and you've been interrupting it without even knowing it. Let's go back to where this actually started. Somewhere between 3 and 4 million years ago, on the open grasslands of Africa, your ancestors did something that should have gotten them killed. They lost their fur. Every other large mammal on that savanna kept its coat. Lions, antelope, elephants. Fur meant protection. Fur meant survival. Your ancestors got rid of theirs anyway. Underneath that newly bare skin, something else was happening. Millions of sweat glands spreading across nearly every inch of the body in a density no other primate on Earth has ever developed. Scientists studying human evolution have a blunt way of putting it. We are quite literally the sweaty ape. And that sweat is not discomfort. It's engineering. Evaporative cooling works 2 to 3 times more efficiently on bare skin than it does through fur. Here's why that single fact changed the entire trajectory of your species. A lion can outsprint any human alive, easily in short bursts, but a lion's thick coat traps heat almost instantly, forcing it to stop, rest, seek shade. Your ancestors couldn't outrun a lion, they could outlast one. They could walk, track, and pursue an animal for hours, directly under the exact midday heat that forced every faster, stronger predator to give up and retreat. This is called persistence hunting, and researchers believe it's one of the primary reasons early humans became successful hunters at all. Not claws, not speed, not strength. Skin that refused to overheat. And here's the part that should genuinely stop you. Researchers studying brain evolution have found that this exact cooling efficiency is what allowed the human brain to grow to its current size, because a brain that large generates enormous heat and would have cooked itself alive inside a fur coat. Every single time you sweat through a hot afternoon and complain about it, you are watching the exact mechanism that built the modern human brain. Still running, still working, 3 million years later. But losing that fur created a second problem immediately. Bare skin meant direct, unfiltered exposure to the sun. This is where the next part of your skin's design kicks in. As body hair disappeared, researchers have found that deeply pigmented skin was selected for specifically as a defense against ultraviolet radiation. Melanin is not a cosmetic feature. It is biological sunscreen, built directly into the architecture of your skin, refined over millions of years, engineered to protect the exact organ that was now taking a direct hit from the sun every single day for the rest of human history. 2 separate ancient threats: heat and light. One organ engineered from scratch to survive both at the exact same time. Now here's the part that should genuinely bother you, because it's happening to you right now today. Your ancestors' skin almost never broke out, not because it was cleaner, because it was dirtier in exactly the way it needed to be. Modern research into what scientists call the skin microbiome has completely reframed what we thought we knew about hygiene. Your skin is not a surface, it's an ecosystem. Billions of bacteria, fungi, and microorganisms live on it right now, and researchers have found they are not invaders you need to eliminate. They are partners your immune system depends on. They regulate inflammation. They maintain your skin's barrier. They actively block harmful pathogens from ever gaining a foothold. Your ancestors lived surrounded constantly by soil, plants, animals, and an almost unimaginable diversity of microbial life, and their skin absorbed and hosted an equally massive diversity of organisms in direct response. Now look at your actual life. Antibacterial soap, sanitized counters, climate-controlled rooms, entire days spent touching almost nothing but plastic, glass, and processed surfaces. Scientists studying this exact shift have documented a measurable, significant decline in skin microbial diversity across modern populations. And that decline tracks in near lockstep with a surge in conditions your ancestors almost never experienced: eczema, psoriasis, rosacea, acne, which now affects up to 85% of people at some point in their lives. Researchers have linked all four, at least in part, to the same underlying mechanism: a 3 million-year-old skin ecosystem trying to function inside an environment that stripped away most of the organisms it was built to depend on. You've spent your entire life being told that dirty skin is bad skin. Your ancestors' skin would disagree, and it had 300,000 years of evidence behind it. This isn't your skin failing you. This is an ancient, extraordinarily precise system doing exactly what it was built to do, inside a world that keeps interrupting it before it can finish the job. So here's what your skin actually is. Not a passive covering you fight with products every morning. An evolved cooling system precise enough to build the modern human brain. A pigmentation system engineered to survive direct sunlight for millions of years without a single bottle of sunscreen. And a living ecosystem home to billions of organisms your body was never designed to function without. Your ancestors never used sunscreen, and their skin still knew exactly how to handle the sun. Your ancestors never washed with soap, and their skin rarely broke out. Your ancestors never sat in air conditioning a single day of their lives, and their skin never stopped doing exactly what it evolved to do. Your skin was never broken. It's running one of the oldest, most sophisticated survival systems your body has ever built, inside an environment that interrupts it, sanitizes it, and second-guesses it every single day. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you already know where this is going: your stress response, your sleep, your anxiety, your body fat, your teeth, and now your skin. None of them are malfunctioning. They are ancient systems built with extraordinary precision, running inside a world they were never designed for. That's the pattern. That's what this channel is about. Subscribe if that's the kind of thing your brain won't stop turning over. I'll see you in the next one.